the market, getting kind of hungry. So right now we're headed towards a kaisandong spot to try some fish rice combo. Alright, so we're at Harenoi Shokudo to get some kaisandong, the seafood rice. They also have the menus outside like this. Alright, I just sat down. Let's check out the menu. They have quite an extensive menu. As soon as I sat down, they greeted me with this nice green tea. Smells great. This is quite a small shop with about 8 tables. It's about 10:30 right now in the morning, but the tables are almost all full. So I'm sitting down at the tachi, the bar, where you could actually get a good view of the kitchen while they're making the food. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Let's try it. A little bit of the wasabi on each piece. And if you guys are not familiar with the donburi system in Japan, you're not supposed to mix the whole thing. You're supposed to eat little by little, like piece by piece. Like a personal little sushi right here. And of course, give me some soy sauce. My absolute favorite, which is uni, the sea urchin. Oh my god. Wow. The sea urchin, when it's not fresh, you get this bit of bitterness, the funkiness from the sea, the fishiness. But this one has none of that. This is very clean, absolutely filled with savoriness, very creamy. The umami is uncomparable to any land meat from the sea urchin. It has exceeded anything I've ever tried before. I usually take the head off first.